Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Savings Plan. Will adding this policy to your investment portfolio be a value addition or not? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decisions to reach your financial goals in a faster and smarter way. So before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Savings Plan. It is a non-linked, non-participating individual life insurance savings plan. So some of the key features of this policy are that you get guaranteed maturity benefits including a guaranteed enhancer, and you have the choice of choosing two sum assured options. One is a sum assured which is 1.5 times of your single premium, and another is the enhanced sum assured which is a more than 10 times your single premium. And you also have the option to choose from multiple policy terms, and especially there are a higher maturity benefits for female lives. Now let's look at the benefits available under the Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Savings Plan. So there are two kinds of benefits available under the plan. The first is the death benefit. So first of all, as a policy holder, you have two sum assured options. One is the enhanced sum assured which is 10 times your single premium, and another is the sum assured which is the 1.5 times higher than your single premium. So unfortunately, if a policy holder passes away before the policy term ends, then the nominee will get the death benefit. So that's why you can see in the screen that the death benefit you will get as a nominee is out of these two options. Either it can be the sum assured or your enhanced sum assured, whichever you have chosen, or your guaranteed maturity benefit. So out of these two options, whichever is highest in value at the time of death of the policy holder, that will be given as the death benefit to the nominee. Next is the maturity benefit. So if the policy holder has survived till the end of the policy term, then and the policy is still in force, then a single premium which is the guaranteed enhancer will be payable, and this GE will be based on your age and which sum assured option you have chosen and your policy term and which how much of a single premium you have paid. So all of these factors depend on the GE you will receive as your maturity benefit at the end of your policy term. So these are the two benefits available under this plan. Now, as we have understood the basic working of this plan, let us now understand the advantages and the disadvantages of the Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Savings Plan. So first, the advantages. There is a hassle-free single investment process. You don't need to invest every month or every year and keep on thinking about how much premium you have to pay, right? It's just hassle-free. You just need to pay a single premium and we get done with the process. Also, you have the option to take a policy loan which is subjected to a maximum limit of 80% of your surrender value. So these are some of the advantages you can get from investing in this plan. Now it's time to understand the disadvantages. Disadvantages is equally important to understand because it will reveal the potential risk you might be taking while investing in the Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Savings Plan. So there is no loyalty addition for staying committed to the investment here. Also, the returns you get here in this plan might not be satisfactory to you. So these are some factors you need to consider before choosing to invest in this plan. Now let us move to the main part of the analysis, which is the IRR analysis, internal rate of return. Why it is the main part is because no matter the advantages or benefits we get from the policy, the main thing we look after while investing in a policy is the IRR, what return we will get at the end of the day. That's what makes it worth or not by choosing to invest in a policy like this. So for example purposes, just to calculate the IRR, let us assume that a 30-year-old male has purchased this Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Savings Plan with a sum assured of 50 lakh rupees. So the policy term he has chosen is for 10 years with a single premium payment of 5 lakhs. And just for calculation purpose, how we are going to calculate is through the web calculator that Bajaj Allianz website has given and the figures they have mentioned in the policy brochure. We are going to use these figures to calculate the IRR. So according to that, if you calculate the IRR, you can see that the end of the policy term, you're getting 8,67,300 rupees with an IRR of 5.66%, which if you compare it to even a bank fixed deposit, it can double your capital in 10 years with returns of even around 6 to 7%, which is a guaranteed return. But here, the 5.666% is not a return which is a satisfactory return, because if you compare it to a bank fixed deposit, it can double your capital compared to this policy. So this might not be a suitable investment portfolio even for a debt allocation ratio in your investment portfolio. So now let's move to the next part of the analysis, which is comparing Bajaj Allianz life guaranteed savings plan with other investment products or alternate investment strategies to see if we can gain returns that can potentially maximize in the long run. So, for example purposes, we are now going to adopt an alternative strategy where we are going to separate our life cover and investment vehicle. So, for life cover purpose, we are going to choose a pure term life insurance policy, and for investment purpose, we have chosen a risk related instrument like ELSS. Why a risk related instrument is because um, ELSS has a consistent track record where it has proven that if you choose to invest in ELSS mutual fund for more than 7 to 10 years, it can even potentially give you returns up to 12% per annum. So according to that calculation, we are taking risk here because in 7 to 10 years the market cycle would have gotten completed and it would have gotten a little bit stable. So if you choose to invest in a risk related instrument in a long term period like 10 years, you can definitely maximize your returns compared to a debt instrument. So if you choose to invest in an investment vehicle like this, it can even give you inflation beating return, which will definitely add more value to your investment portfolio. So here we are going to invest in this manner, like way we are going to choose a pure term life insurance policy for a sum assured of 50 lakhs with a policy term of 10 years, and the premium paying term is single premium. So these all these metrics are similar to Bajaj Allianz life guaranteed savings plan. Only difference is the premium we are going to pay is only for 59,000 compared to the 5 lakhs we paid for Bajaj Allianz life guaranteed savings plan. So the remaining amount of 4 lakh 41,000 will be invested in a single amount or single term payment for ELSS mutual funds. So if you choose to invest in a combination like this, then at the end we will get 12 lakhs 86,811. So with an IRR of 9.91%, which is if you actually for in ELSS you have to pay tax. So this is a post tax value. The pre tax value was 13 lakhs. So the post tax value is 12 lakhs. Still you're getting 12 lakhs compared to the return you get here in Bajaj Allianz, where it was only for 8 lakh 67,000. And if you compare with the IRR, it was giving you 5.66%, which is definitely lower compared to even a bank fixed deposit like FD. But here in ELSS, you're getting a return of 9.91%, which is definitely an inflation beating return, which will definitely also boost your overall return in your investment portfolio. So by adopting a different goal based investment strategy like this, it can definitely add value to your investment portfolio and help you reach your financial goals in the long run. So you can consider investing in this way also. So what is the final verdict on Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Savings Plan? Should we invest in it or not? Is the returns we get worth or not? We can see from the IRR analysis, it's not giving us a return which are satisfactory. Even if you compare it with other debt instruments in the market like FD, it's still giving you a return which is lower than compared to that. So 5.66% is not something which can even match the inflation rate, and is not even giving you the standard debt return already available in the market. So it's not something you might consider investing in the long run, because it's not giving you the return you want. So instead you can choose to diversify your investment in other debt related instruments or other equity oriented funds. Like we have already seen, there is ELSS mutual funds, you can also consider investing there. And you have to keep in mind, by separating your life cover and investment vehicle, you are opening up the potential to maximize your returns in the long run, where you can even gain inflation beating returns. So for life cover purpose, always choose a pure term insurance policy where you can even choose a higher coverage policy for more affordable premium compared to policies like this. And by diversifying your investment and not putting all your money in one basket, one egg, and instead you're diversifying your investment, it can definitely help in managing the risk in your investment portfolio. And if you have doubts regarding which one to invest or where to invest and how much to invest, you can definitely consider investing in a certified financial planner, because they will be able to help you navigate the entire process of your investment journey. They will make it hassle free for you and even smoothen the process for you by crafting investment strategies and personalizing financial plan, especially for you to achieve your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. So definitely involving a professional financial planner in the long run is a wise move which you can consider. So keep these factors in mind and choose to invest in investment vehicles which will benefit you in the long run, because this is our hard-earned money and we should choose to invest in places where it would benefit us in the long run. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.